Welcome to the London Outlook for Wednesday, the 21st of February 2024. Starting off with the economic calendar. As you can see, there's only one dreadful news event, and it's about 3 hours after the end of our trading session, thus has no bearing on our trading. Then moving on to the 4-hour chart, what we can see is that we're still in this confirmed bearish market structure. We are still in this pro-trend primary leg, as explained previously. The pullback phase primary leg achieved its objective of reaching the pro-trend extreme, and now we can assume that the pro-trend leg will follow through and take out the external range liquidity in line with the market trend. However, as you can see, we have been pulling back quite significantly all this time, likely to build a bunch of liquidity to enable us to take out this external range liquidity. From a higher time frame narrative perspective, there is only reason to trade to the short side, and thus moving on to the 5-minute, you can see that's exactly what we've done. Although yesterday we had a bullish day, and as you can see, the latest or deepest interaction of this 4H pro-trend primary leg OB was created yesterday, and thus this red leg that I have created. In terms of trading for today, because yesterday was a bullish day, there isn't really any reason to consider basing a trade based on the previous high or low of the day and guessing where the current day high may form. And as a result of that, we'll simply wait for the Asia high of the day, or Frankfurt or London or New York high of the days to be validated. Obviously, the New York high of the day won't be able to be validated because there is no red folder new support to support why a New York high of the day should hold. Thus, our options for validating a high of the day is either Asia is validated by Frankfurt or London, Frankfurt is validated by London, or London is validated by London is validated by New York. As we come into this morning, there's potential for the Asia high of the day to hold, and thus I have set alerts for the low of the Asia range right here to consider whether we can actually trade to the downside. Other than that, that's pretty much the outlook. Just to summarize, we can only trade short, as that's what the narrative suggests. There's no reason to trade both directions until we at least extend this pullback phase primary leg by breaking this 4H primary OP. And then obviously we're waiting for a session high of the day to be validated to give us the extra confluence and confidence we require in order to trade shorts and be confident that the high of the day will actually hold. Other than that, have a good London session, and we'll chat again for the New York outlook.